What's the meaning of Bobby Moore? Bobby Moore. Bobby Moore.
Bobby Moore. Bobby Moore. Bobby Moore was a legendary English footballer who was widely regarded as one of the greatest defenders in the history of the sport. Born in 1941 in Barking, Essex, Moore started his career at West Ham United before moving to Fulham and later winning the World Cup with England in 1966. He captained his country for much of his career and earned 108 international caps. Off the field, Moore was known for his gentlemanly demeanor and was highly respected by his peers and fans alike. Sadly, he passed away from cancer in 1993, but his legacy in football continues to inspire players and fans around the world.